Since the ban on Huawei by the US and other US allies, the progress of the Huawei mobile phone series has been of interest to both fans and non-fans alike. The Huawei P70 series is anticipated as one of the most advanced smartphones of 2024. After a recent leak of its camera design, it sparked excitement among tech enthusiasts. However, there is now a report that this device will not arrive as early as we would expect. Earlier rumors have suggested that the Huawei P70 series smartphones would be unveiled in March. However, popular and authoritative Chinese tech blogger Digital Chat Station recently posted on his Weibo handle that the launch of the Huawei P70 series has been postponed. It shows a triangular rear camera module that holds the triple rear camera unit alongside an LED flash unit. The Huawei P70 series is expected to be delayed until April. It is anticipated to include 3 models: the P70, P70 Pro, and P70 Art. The possible reasons for the postponement highlight the complexities involved in bringing a flagship smartphone to market, from technical challenges to regulatory approvals and supply chain disruptions. However, Huawei's decision to prioritize excellence and ensure a seamless launch process reflects its dedication to meeting consumer expectations and maintaining its position as a leader in the mobile industry. The blogger revealed that the Huawei P70 standard version is equipped with a relatively small size 2.5D and 1.5K screen of about 6.58 inch or 6.8 inch and supports LTPO technology. The Huawei P70 is expected to be powered by an in-house Kirin 9010 chipset. The entire series will support wireless charging and Beidou satellite communication. Despite the shift in the launch date, this series will still launch with some innovative features. The phone is expected to feature a 50-megapixel OmniVision primary sensor with variable aperture, alongside a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 sensor paired with an ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto shooter with 4x optical zoom, and a 5,000 mAh battery. The Huawei P70 series is expected to bring many highlights in terms of configuration, design, imaging performance, and more. However, details such as the release date and parameter information will require further confirmation from Huawei officials. Also, the device will likely be more expensive than its predecessor, with an expected starting price of 10,000 yuan, approximately $1,400, which may provide a reference point. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.